Here's a little bit of trivia that may be of interest to Baysport owners. I've been thinking about putting a thru-hull transducer in for a couple of years now, almost since I got the boat. And I finally pulled the trigger on it and got this plug out of the hull, and I thought you guys might be interested in seeing just how thick the hull of the boat is along the bottom. So here it is. This is the plug that I cut out of the bottom of the boat to mount the thru-hull transducer. The brownish, reddish brown colour you can see just there is some bog that I put down on top of the original floor, and then I put some layers of glass on top of that once I'd levelled it off, just so I had a nice flat surface on top to bolt the transducer down onto. But the rest of it, and that's more good half inch, maybe more, is all original fiberglass. You can see it's uneven. It's because it was in the tunnel part of the hull, so it was coming up and over the tunnel. That's made it a little bit thicker on one side than the other. But by Jove, that all looks like hand laid up glass to me. No chop, strand and gun there by the looks of it. I'd say that's all hand laid up by the looks. You can see the layers in it. Yeah, hand lay-up's always better. You get a lighter boat with a stronger hull out of it. So there you go. The blue on there is some paint off the hull saw. It's not part of the original boat, that just came off the hull saw as I was drilling through. And you'll see in the video where I mount this, that hole there is where I measured the centre of the boat on the inside, and this hole here is where the actual centre of the boat is on the outside. As I've said on many videos before, any fiberglass boat, even if it's made in a mould, is going to be dimensionally different, just from shrinkage and things that happen. So in this case I was very lucky. I drilled the tiny hole through and it came out just almost on the edge of where I wanted it to be, so I still had room to correct. I had to drill through from the inside first because I needed to measure fore and aft where it was going to go, and then I had to measure left to right on the outside where the tunnel is. So anyway, it worked out well, and it's all explained in the video where I mount the thru-hull transducer. I made a video on doing the thru-hull transducer in case anyone is interested in doing one, but I'm not going to post that for a while yet. For a start, as I record this, I haven't done any sea trials on the boat to see if it's affected performance, and secondly, I haven't got the MFD to see if it actually works. So pending those two things, I'm holding on to the video. I should have done the sea trials by the time this goes up on the net, but the MFD is some time away, maybe a few months actually. It's not looking good. So the video for putting in the thru-hull transducer won't be up until I get that and have done the trials, and then I'll tell you all about it and how I did it and if you want to do one. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, good fishing.